In this video, I'm going to show you how to find penny stocks on Finviz. Now, to actually do this, you want to go to elite.finviz.com or just finviz.com, and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. Once you've done that, go to the third tab up here which says Screener. And to actually find penny stocks, well, penny stocks usually are categorized as stocks that are basically shares of a company that are basically priced at less than $5. So you want to go to over here under filters, it says price over here at the very bottom left. Click on where it says any and make sure you put on under $5. And over here, you'll be able to see these are all basically categorized as penny stocks. So here you can then filter them by price. You can go, you can click on the price and you can filter by price via the ascending order or by the descending order. So here you can see all of this, and then you can of course change different filters over here as well if you want to, such as let's say market cap, target price, or of course whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.